Looking to study in the US? Confused about which service to use for your transcript evaluation? Well, ECE is a great choice. Likewise, they are widely accepted by US institutions. When I was coming to the US, I used ECE for my college applications and got scholarships using my ECE report showing my courses and GPA. All the students in my study abroad program that are currently on scholarship here also used ECE for their college applications. ECE break down your coursework into US equivalents, making it easy for admission to understand your qualifications. ECE course by course evaluation is a perfect fit if you're looking to further your education in the US. It gives your admissions team a full picture of your academic background. And guess what? My previous video walks you through how to do this step by step. Need your report fast? ECE can get it done in 5 days. Super helpful if you're on a tight deadline for applications. Plus, they offer flexible delivery options where your documents can be sent to them electronically from your institutions. One thing about ECE is that if you need help, their customer support is top notch. They are quick to respond and super helpful, making the evaluation process a breeze. I use them many times, so I know this is not a promotion. This is just putting you on to a great service from experience. So if you want a reliable, fast, and student-friendly evaluation service, ECE is the way to go. Wes is not the only one on the block. If you didn't know, now you know. If you were wondering, now you know. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and advice on studying abroad. If you have any questions or want to hear more about a specific topic, drop a comment below. I will cover it in future videos. Until next time, stay blessed and keep pursuing your dreams.